Hello food lovers, I am Chef Maryam, founder and creator of Limitless Home Chef Academy. Welcome to our culinary journey where we will explore the endless possibilities of home cooking from the basic to advanced techniques. In our cooking class, you will learn to master a diverse range of cuisines, each with its own unique flavors, techniques, and cultural influences. Easy to follow instructions, helpful tips, and insider secrets. You will gain the confidence and skills to create restaurant quality dishes right in your own kitchen. Join me on this culinary adventure and let's unleash your creativity in the kitchen.